Everyone. Seems every year we see and hear about how healthcare costs are rising. This year is no exception, but health insurance is getting so expensive that it's making it difficult for companies who want to provide insurance benefits for their employees.
Local News 8 reporter Chris Nessman joining us now in the studio. And Chris, you spoke with a big company in Blackfoot. How are the cost increases in health insurance affecting them?
Well, Carol, I spoke with the chief business officer at Premier Technology Incorporated, who said increasing healthcare costs are making it legitimately difficult to do business sometimes. Premier Technology in Blackfoot specializes in advanced manufacturing for large industries like nuclear technology. That kind of technology requires skilled employees, meaning business owners like Premier Technology have to work to keep their employees.
We feel a responsibility as an employer to make sure that they have health and dental and vision and all the coverage that their families are going to need.
That's becoming increasingly difficult as health insurance costs increase annually at rates as high as 40%.
But it's impossible to predict on an annual basis what your insurance costs are going to be, especially when they're rising at the rate that they are.
That lack of predictability can be a big headache for any company trying to stay competitive.
It certainly affected our business. The rising cost of health insurance, being that it's very significant, is something that we can't just pass on to our customers. Our business is very competitive in all the markets that we're in, and it's impossible for us to just pass those costs on.
And preliminary 2017 insurance rates show the cost of health insurance is just going to go higher. One reason for the increase is a higher number of people using health care and the increased use of expensive technology.
So utilization would be one. Technology. We have, with the advent of robotic surgery, that's certainly a more expensive avenue for surgical procedures, but it's the preferred route for many of the consumers.
Higher use and more expensive technology are just some of the reasons why healthcare costs are increasing. I actually pulled up a quick Google search and found out that of all the major industries in America, healthcare technology had the highest predicted profit margins for 2016. On the other end of the spectrum, healthcare services like hospitals had some of the lowest predicted profit margins, and that's according to a Forbes article. Reporting live in studio, I'm Chris Nestman.
All right, thank you, Chris. We expect preliminary guesstimates, we'd say, on the Idaho health insurance rates to come out in just the next few weeks.
Well, time now to